During Google's recent sell-off of Bard AI to its investors, Bard AI actually responded to a question incorrectly, and due to this, Bard AI, that is Google Alphabet, actually lost a total sum of over $100 billion due to this mistake. As you can see, Google AI chatbot Bard sends shares plummeting after it gives wrong answer. Chatbot Bard incorrectly said James Webb Space Telescope was first to take pictures of planet outside Earth's solar system. Okay, as you can see, Google's response to ChatGPT has got off to an embarrassing start. This is actually so critical for Google. After its new artificial intelligence powered chatbot gave a wrong answer in a promotional video, Google is trying to sell off their, new bad AI to investors, and then this new AI actually responded to a question incorrectly. What do you expect from investors? What do you expect? Do you expect me to put my money in something that responds to the question incorrectly? It's normal. This is definitely going to happen. Okay. So the sell-off on Wednesday came amid investors' fears that Microsoft, which is deploying an ChatGPT powered version of its Bing search engine, will damage Google's business. Alphabet stock slid by 9%. Damn, this is critical during regular trading in the US, but was flat after hours. And this was the question Barrier was actually asked publicly in the midst of the investors. What new discoveries from the James Webb Space Telescope can I tell my 9-year-old about? And then Bad responded in the video that, as you can see, it suggested an answer that JWST was used to take the very first pictures of a planet outside the Earth solar system. As you can see, and this is actually not correct. Looking at the reply from Grant Tremblay on Twitter, not to be well actually jerked. I'm sure Bad will be impressive. Definitely. Bad is actually still in its upcoming stage, so they're still gonna have to make some adjustment. The first image was actually done by Chalvin. JWST did not take the very first image of a planet outside our solar system. And as you can see, this has actually resulted to a total loss on Google and Alphabet in the stock market. So basically, looking at the start of this bad AI, it actually started in a worse manner. But basically, we still expect bad AI to actually be improved on. Since this is actually just the start for bad AI, we still expect bad AI to actually come out way better than this mistake it actually just made. And definitely, looking at Google, there's high probability that when this bad AI actually comes out and then comes out in its full form, there's high probability that it's actually going to be number one most used AI tool due to Google's already existence, Google already existing influence in the world. So let's see how it goes in a few weeks from now. Let's see how it's actually going to be when bad AI actually comes out fully in public, and let's see how everything's actually going to work out in a few weeks time. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely learned a lot from this video and you don't want to miss out on upcoming news about bad AI, you definitely want to subscribe and also drop a like on today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.